Hi, it's Dave at About Your Home Inspection. Hey, today we're going to talk about how long does a home inspection take? That's a pretty big subject. There's a lot of different answers I could give you. Typically, our inspections take about 2.5 to 3 hours. There's lots of factors that go into determining how much longer or shorter it could take to do the home inspection. The first one would be the age or the condition of the home. Is it a newer home that's very pristine and clean? Or is it an older home that has lots of issues and lots of things that need to be reported on and investigated? That would take a little bit longer. The other thing would be the size of the home. Is it a 1,000 square foot ranch on a slab? Or is it a 5,000 square foot home with a finished basement? Obviously you can see the difference there. Speaking of a larger home, sometimes the larger homes have multiple HVAC systems. You could have 2 air conditioners and 2 furnaces. Also 2 water heaters, multiple electrical panels. And that's not only on larger houses, but it's also on houses that have been added onto several times. They can have multiple crawl spaces or multiple basements as well. All of this would obviously add time to doing the home inspection. So the other thing that we look at is the weather. If it's a nice sunny day and we're able to get out there and get it done quickly, it would be a lot faster than if it's a snowy day or a rainy day and we're having to trudge through the mud to get out there and look at the outside of the home. And then our last thing that would really cause some delays would be the ease of access to like the attic or the crawl space, electrical panels, the furnace, the water heater, all of the things that we need to get in there and look at. If it's nice and open and we just walk in and do our job, it's great. If there's stuff blocking it or if we have to fight to get in, then it's going to definitely take us a lot longer. So again, this is Dave and I'm answering the question, how long does it take to do a home inspection? If you'd like to schedule a home inspection with us, you can go online at aboutyourhomeinspection.com or you can call our office at 847-669-9040. And if you mention that you watched this video, I'll give you $25 off. So thank you for watching and have a great day.